Good morning, traders. Welcome back to the Traders Network Club YouTube channel. And in today's video, we have the Forex Showdown. Now, usually I have a guest on the showdown, and that's FxBigDog, but he's not here today. He is traveling to South Africa. So, wish him safe travels, and he's having a great time over there. But right now, we're going to go over 5 pairs, and I'm going to go ahead and use our Pip Hunter Trading Tool to go ahead and place these trades. Now, I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to use this tool and how it can help your trading as I go over these 5 pairs and we go ahead and place live trades today. So stick through this video, and we're going to get right to it. All right. Welcome back. I see John in the chat. Good morning, John. T is good morning. Brian, good morning. A lot of my VIP members in there. And what we're doing today is we're going ahead and using the trading tool. I'll put on a trading tool to go ahead and place trades. Trading the 5 pairs that I trade daily in my VIP shows. So this is basically a version of my live sessions I do with my VIP members from Monday to Thursday every morning, where I go ahead and place these trades using this tool, specifically these pairs as well. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. Hope you guys are ready, because I'm ready, and let's get right to it. So we're going to go ahead and start with the CAD Swiss, okay? So first thing, looking at the CAD Swiss, we like to look for supply and demand, okay? What we did notice here on the 1 hour is that we had the key supply zone right here where price went ahead and grabbed some liquidity. Now we do have some support here as well. Price went ahead, you can see some consolidation right here. So we had price kind of retesting this consolidation zone from this previous support, and we're starting to get a nice little bullish move here on these candles. So if we go ahead and zoom in, but we got to look for it now is, okay, well, price is gonna, price moves in waves. So we're gonna see price want to move to a target where it wants to grab some more liquidity, especially inside this consolidation zone, and we're gonna see a pullback before price wants to continue to move north. Okay, so going to the 15-minute time frame, and what we see here as well in the 1 hour is that price came now on my MACD. We're showing the previous high, valid high here. Looking at my MACD, price is now tending to break through this high. As you can see, it's already closed this candle all the way up here, and we're now seeing a little bit of a correction here. What happens is when we see these price break these previous highs and lows, we do see a correction move before price wants to continue to go. Only if it has enough momentum, it'll continue to push price. But we are in an overbought position here. We can see a little bit negative divergence here in the overbought position here as well in the 1 hour. So let's take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Good morning, then Gabriel Johnson. Good morning. A little bit choppy here in the 50-minute time frame, as you can see. So first thing we're going to say, okay, well, if price wants to go ahead and pull back, if I go to the 5-minute time frame, do I see any divergence here in the lower time frame? Not really. I just kind of see choppiness. So what I'm seeing is a lot of choppiness. So we're probably going to get a little bit of retracement, not that much of a pullback here. So going back to the 50-minute time frame, what I'm looking for is, okay, there's a lot of consolidation in the zone. This is my target where I think price should continue to move before we do see some strong correction. Okay. And what happened is, using our Pip Hunter Trading Tool, we go ahead and place a buy or sell, and we use dollar cost averaging that's implemented in our tool. So it'll go ahead and dollar cost average for you automatically. Okay, so what happens is, if we want to go ahead and buy right now, price wants to correct a little further, what we have is set to 25 pips against us. Price will go ahead and add an additional entry, okay, an additional position to go ahead and average our costs. And it'll continue to do that if price continues to move 25 pips, every 25 pips against us. And now our target is 20 pips. So wherever 20 pips is, we'll target. And what we have is, our tool is set to go ahead and close you out automatically when you reach 20 net pips. So when you go ahead and dollar cost average and you're getting in additional positions, it will average all those positions together to close out at your 20 net pips. Okay. So 20 pips from where price is at right now is just right in my zone where I'm expecting price to go ahead and reach here on the CAD Swiss. Okay. Now, maybe we see a little bit of retracement, and that's why we're going to dollar cost average. But my main target here is I think we should have enough bullish momentum to go ahead and push price in this consolidation zone where I should see price retest and correct. So here on the CAD Swiss, we're going to go ahead and pull up. Let's go pull it up here, the VPS here, and I'm going to show you how I go ahead and buy in the CAD Swiss using this trading tool. And it's very simple. Once you have the tool on your chart, all you got to do is go to the CAD Swiss, which is right here, CAD Swiss, and we are buying. So we click buy and yes. And then there it is right there. There's our break even price. And it shows you as well your pip amount here as well. As you can see, we're just, about negative 2 pips so far. All right, well, we just got in, and there's a spread. Got involved the spread as well. So, and the CAD Swiss right now, you can see that it is just dipping a little bit here, but I mean nothing much. Just this is the 50-minute time frame, so we might get a little bit of retracement. Okay, and with the retracement, we dollar cost average. So every 25 pips. So 25 pips would be all the way back. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and say, all right, because this is a consolidation zone right here, okay, price could, this is where I'm looking for price to pull back if it does pull back strong. And this is pretty much close to my 20 pips from where I got in. This is about almost 20 pips in this range. So price might pull back here, say close to 20 pips, and then not get to our 25 pips, which is a little further down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the our tool here. I'm going to go to the settings for the CAD Swiss, and I'm going to go ahead and change that pip distance. And there's our net pip at 20, but I'm going to change our pip distance to 20. Oh, it's already set to 20. Perfect. Instead of 25, it's already set to 20, our fixed pip distance. So every 20 pips against us, price will go ahead and get an additional position for us. Okay. And that's how we dollar cost average. And all I got to do is now just let it play out. And once we get our 20 net pips, the tool closes it out for me automatically. Don't got to worry about it. So I don't have to sit here by my computer, making sure that I'm getting in these additional entries as well and looking to close out my 20 net pips. It will do it for me. All right. So there it is for the CAD Swiss. Let's go to the Aussie CAD. Okay, Aussie CAD. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. Yeah, we see in the 1 hour, we see some correction here. As we can see, price was moving on the Aussie CAD. We're moving pretty bullish here. Price took out this key high right here. As you can see, price went ahead, took out this high, corrected back, and continued to move higher as we had these highs. Okay, so here's these highs right here. Here's the previous high. Price now is creating this low, which we can see it hasn't been validated because it hasn't turned green yet. So we could say this the low so far of this this bearish MACD, and our previous lows are right here as well. Okay, looking at my MACD. So price hasn't come back and taken out this previous low. So we have a nice key correction. Price corrected into this consolidation zone. Okay, we have some consolidation here, and we should see price continue to move back up now, testing these highs. So if we go back to the 50-minute time frame here, very choppy here on the 50-minute time frame. As you can see, just because of some news as well, we get these little volatile moves. Price went into the zone right here in this consolidation zone. So I'm looking for price to come back into this consolidation zone here on the Aussie CAD as we had this strong key pullback. If I go to the 5-minute time frame, what we know is this is the last high here. This right here, this volatile move broke through this high, obviously retraced back down. So we should have some more bullish move on the Aussie CAD, and our 20 pips is going to be just before this zone, which is our target. Okay. So with the Aussie CAD playing out how it is, going back, let me look at the longer time frame here. Um, so looking at the 4 hour here, we can see, all right, we're moving pretty bullish as well. Like I said, price is breaking through this highs and create a new high. We just obviously got a key pullback here, which is a key zone right here where price kind of pulled back. Price can pull back a little bit more if it wants to, but that's why we dollar cost average. And I like to buy here in the Aussie CAD as well. And just like that, if you have multiple accounts, look how fast I can get in a trade on other accounts, MT4 accounts as well, by just going ahead and clicking a button. It's just quick and easy, just like that. Okay. Now let's take a look at the New Zealand CAD. New Zealand CAD, I like to look at the New Zealand CAD and the Aussie CAD as well because they're both trading against the Canadian dollar. All right. Here we go in the 4 hour, looking at the longer time frame here, the bigger time frame. So we can see um, first thing is we know is just let me go ahead and zoom out a little bit here. Price is moving in a nice wave structure here. So we can see that we have a key demand where price is sitting at and key supply right here. Okay. So a key supply zone. Now we do have a little bit of supply here as well where we see some resistance. This is where price breaks through resistance, grabs some supply. And we do have some key support here as well. Okay, where price uh, kind of bounces back and forth, testing these levels. So, and obviously we have some key demand here from previously of those lows. So, but now what we see where price is at here is at a key demand level. Okay, what price did now is came back to this support level here. Okay, and kind of tested it, broke it a little bit through, kind of retraced back down to go ahead and grab some more liquidity to go and continue to move. And now let's go to the small time frame so we can see how these wave structures are playing out. So we are in the oversold position. So what we did is we did have price here break through this high. Okay. Price broke through this high and now it's retracing back, obviously looking for some demand. And I like this consolidation zone, grabbing some liquidity. Very in a key spot here for me to buy here as well on the New Zealand CAD. If I look at the 50-minute time frame, very choppy as well, not getting just a little bit positive divergence here. As you can see, price is creating lower lows. MACD and my oscillator showing a little bit of higher lows forming here. So we should see price continue to move a little bit in this consolidation zone and retrace back or continue to move back north as that's the continuous trend here on the higher time frame. So let's take a look here to see where 20 pips would be if we did sell, would be all the way at this low, which is possible for price to go ahead and trade to. So what I'm going to do is, again, is I'm going to buy and I'm going to set my pip distance to 20 pips. Okay. Instead of 25, it might be set to 25 or 20. I don't know, but I'm going to double check and make sure it's set to 20 because if price does continue to move into this these lows of this consolidation zone, I want to make sure that I do get in another entry. So when price continues to move back up, I'm dollar cost averaging, right? Okay. So let's say if we get in here and 20 pips is right here, right? What we're looking for is price to move all the way back to our break even for our first entry because this is break even for us. And this, our second entry, would be 20 pips, which would close us out at our first entry. Okay, do you understand what I'm saying? So if we buy here, price moves against us 20 pips. This is a 20 pip distance. We're closing out net 20 pips, right? So if price moves back to our first entry, that's where we're closing out because we're 20 pips in our second position and we're break even on our first position. So combine that, it's 20 pips together, which will close us out at 20 net pips. So that's why we dollar cost average. So I'm gonna go ahead and New Zealand CAD here. Um, we're gonna go ahead and buy. And I'm going to go ahead and set your New Zealand CAD. Make sure it's 20 pip distance, which is set 25. So I'm going to go ahead and set this at 20. And we're going to ride with that. Okay. And you can see it's moving pretty bearish right now. And obviously it's looking for these consolidation zones. Okay. So there's a lot of consolidation in this zone right here. Price is already kind of breaking through this consolidation here, but there's a lot of consolidation this low, and that's where price is looking to target as it's grabbing some liquidity before it wants to continue to move up. All right. Before we continue to our next last two pairs, I have a quick video to show you guys that's brought by sponsors ACAP. All right. If you guys are looking to sign up with a broker, there is a link in our description below for ACAP if you want to go ahead and sign up with ACAP. So go ahead and check that in the description below. All right. New Zealand CAD is moving pretty bearish, and I'm completely fine with that. Okay. We do not have a stop loss. We don't trade a stop loss, so I'm not looking to take losses. I'm looking to go ahead and make profits by dollar cost averaging and using the strategy. Okay. Let's take a look at now our last two pairs here: the Euro US dollar and the US dollar CAD. Okay. So the Euro US dollar has been moving bullish, as we can see these highs forming. And now we're seeing a little bit of a nice correction here. Look at this strong correction. Price is moving back to this key demand level, or let's say supply, because I have it green. So if we take a look back here, should be actually red, because that's what I like to use for my supply zone. You can see there's a key supply zone right here at this high. Okay. Now this is interesting because we got price kind of breaking through this high, correcting back to retest this zone, this level of this high, which we had some key supply. So what is price going to do? Is price going to continue to fall back down? Now looking at our last low, which is right here, this is how much room we have unless price wants to break through this low. That means we're seeing a little bit of a reversal here. Price want to come back down. So price is in an oversold position on the 50-minute time frame. Very choppy. Very choppy. So price had a nice correction move here. Okay. So what we should anticipate here is, okay, well, price had a nice little bearish candle here back into this level of supply. We're kind of retesting. You can see a little bit of sideways movement in the market right now. Very choppy here. Not some key movement right now. If I take a look at the 5-minute time frame, same thing, very just choppy. So let's go back here. And let's take a look at the US dollar CAD. I want to see how the dollar's playing out against the Canadian pair here. So if we take a look at the 1 hour, and we've been moving pretty bearish here as well on the US dollar CAD. As you can see, we could expect some strong movement back here because price is sitting here at this key demand level. Okay, so if I go ahead and zoom this out a little bit, you can see here is some key demand here where we had some key support in the market. Obviously, price breaks through that support here. We have some nice key demand structure here where price is showing some liquidity grab. So what we can see is price continue to move further back down into this level of demand, or we can see price continue to move back up, showing that this level of support is showing some more momentum, pushing price up into this range bound. Okay. So we said here on the Euro US dollar, right? Since they're both trading with the US dollar pair, we're seeing a little bit of a correction moving on the Euro US dollar, and we've been bullish, so we should anticipate some more bullish move, right? As we've been moving bullish. So you're on the US dollar CAD, we're expecting some bearish move as we're getting a little bit of retracement here back into this, like I said, back to this level of this support. And we're seeing this, look at the 1 hour. We are right now creating this high. Hasn't showed any more. Oh, okay. My mouse lagged up there. Hasn't showed any more overbought position here. Price is still kind of working its way there. So we could see a little bit more correction if needed. But my main target here, my main trend is to go bearish because we are looking for price to move back into this where we saw some liquidity grab in this demand. Okay, as you can see, some key demand right here where price is targeting. So the US dollar CAD, I've been bearish, and the Euro US dollar, I've been bullish, and it's been working out. I've been trading these directions on these pairs um, quite for a week or two now, and it's been paying out. So we're gonna go ahead and continue with this trend with the US dollar CAD and the Euro. I'm going short on the Euro, US dollar CAD, sorry, short on the US dollar CAD, and I'm going long on the Euro US dollar. Okay. And bam, just like that, guys. Just like that, we got in our positions, got in our trades using this trading tool. And it was so easy, and it's gonna go ahead and do the work for us. All we did is we analyzed the market and used our structure of our dollar cost averaging to go ahead and use a strategy to place these trades. Okay, so to get access to this tool, you can absolutely get access to this tool if you go to our website, Traders Network Club. um, you will go ahead and find it in our starter membership where you'll get access just to the tool and our signals, which you'll get these signals to these returns right here. Our Pip Hunter, um, our Pip Hunter strategy, which is doing these returns right now in the year of 2023, and we're actually we're managing this account very conservative than we did last year. Okay, so if you take a look at last year, we're very aggressive, and as you can see, these returns were phenomenal. Okay, absolutely phenomenal. So not only that you're getting this tool, but you're getting this tool to go ahead and follow our signals as well to place these trades using that tool, which will get you the same returns that we're getting. So do not want to miss out, guys. You can get the tool in the starter membership on our website. It was only starting at $27 for the first 2 weeks, and then it become $47 monthly, and you'll get the signals and you'll get the tool as well. Or you can upgrade to the starter pro, which most of our members do because you're getting so much out of the starter pro. It's a bundle of the tool. You get all our signals. If we have any new strategies that come out, you'll get all of our signals, which will be in the Discord, which will also be connected to our private Discord server where you'll connect with all our VIP members. We call it VIP, which is the access you get in the starter pro. We call it the VIP access, and you'll get all that VIP access, which is the Discord. You'll be able to interact with all our members, myself, in the Discord, where you'll get all our signals to our strategy, and you'll also get the tool as well. And not at least, you will also get my live sessions, my Pip Hunter live sessions, just like I'm doing today. You'll get access to that, which is just a private Monday to Thursday. Every morning, we'll do these live sessions together, and we'll go ahead and we have a great time as well. We chat in the Discord. So if you want to be a part of a community, I always say get into trading, especially Forex trading. It can be very complicated when you're starting off. And the best thing to do, I believe, is to start with a community or find someone that can mentor you, and be a part of a community. And a mentorship is very important when you start in trading. It can help your trading game a lot. So I really do recommend being a part of a community. If you don't want to be a part of our community, then find a different community. But as you can see, we're doing very phenomenal here. Our members love it as well. We have a lot of VIP members in the chat here that talk very highly about us. So if you stay tuned in our shows here on Fridays, you'll see what our members say a lot. So I appreciate you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash the like button and subscribe as well to get more videos to our showdowns every Friday. I'm looking to be posting different sessions on our YouTube channel coming soon. Once we get release a new strategy, I'll be releasing some new videos. But this is our Pip Hunter. This is our Pip Hunter strategy that we do on Fridays to go ahead and show you what we do every morning, what I do every morning in my VIP sessions, and you can be a part of this. So make sure you go ahead and check our website and see if you want to become a starter pro. Other than that, it should be in the description below as well. But other than that, I will see you guys next week for another Pip Hunter Forex Showdown. FxBigDog still won't be here as a guest, so still be me as myself. Maybe I might look to go ahead and bring another guest on. We'll see if I can find anyone that would want to do that. So if you do want to do that, maybe email us at support, and I'll go ahead and check some emails and see if anyone's interested to go ahead and join me next week. It'll be fun, so don't be shy. We'll have a great time. Other than that, as you can see, Brian is already one of my VIP members here. Says the live VIP sessions Monday to Thursday equals fire, and he's damn right as well. So appreciate that, Brian. All right. Well, that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. Have a good time, and I'll see you guys next week. And